How to pay out on Eventbrite. Payouts on Eventbrite occur automatically based on your account settings and the payout schedule you've chosen. Here's how to ensure your payout is processed. Go to Eventbrite and log into your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Payments and Tax and choose Payout Method in the Manage My Events from your account menu. Then select your chosen payout method. If you don't have any bank account, you have to click on Set up an account. Then add your bank details and select the option Save. Funds will be transferred to your bank account within 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank's policies. You will get an email confirmation when the payout is initiated. If your payout is delayed or hasn't been processed, contact Eventbrite support for further assistance. Thanks for watching.